Jeep India has issued a major recall of the Compass SUV citing safety issues. The recall is due to the passenger front airbag being affected by what Jeep has termed loose fasteners that can affect the correct working of the airbag in case of a collision. In India, Jeep has so far sold over 8,000 units of the Compass, but only 1,200 units are being recalled. Jeep dealers will soon be contacting customers over the next few days to schedule an appointment to replace the front passenger airbag unit. Yamaha India has launched the 2018 model of its naked roadster, the MT-09, at 10,88,000 rupees. The 2018 model gets new color options which look quite funky. The bike will be brought to India as a completely built unit and will be available for sale at select dealerships only. The MT-09 gets a 847cc 3-cylinder engine which makes 113 brake horsepower and churns out a peak torque of 87.5 Newton meters. Mahindra and Uber have joined hands to deploy electric vehicles in India. The E20 Plus and the E-Verito will be inducted into the Uber fleet by the beginning of March next year. At first, the cars will be available only in Delhi and Hyderabad and can be booked via the Uber app. Mahindra will also support with driver education and training related to various aspects of electric vehicles, while both companies will work closely with public and private players to set up charging stations across multiple locations in the cities.
Follow us for the latest from the automobile sector on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, and of course, subscribe to our channel for the latest videos as well.